In this video, I show you how to fix Samsung S25 Ultra camera failed problem or Samsung Galaxy camera failed problem. For solving this problem, go to settings, scroll down, then go to apps, scroll down, search for camera, tap on camera, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on permission, allow location permission. Now tap on three dot, tap on reset app preference, tap on reset. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open camera app. Now I hope that this method fix Samsung S25 Ultra camera failed or Samsung Galaxy camera failed problem. Thanks for watching.